Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Geography with Shyamal. If you are new in my class, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, in this class we are going to discuss about World Regional Disparities. This is an important topic in our human geography or UGC NET examination perspective. Okay, in this class we are going to discuss definition and concept of regional disparity, indicators of development and disparity, North-South divide, developed versus developing, major regional blocks, economic groupings, causes of regional disparities, Human Development Index, HDI analysis, regional disparities in India, policies and international frameworks. Okay, first of all, definition and conceptual framework, that means regional disparity. Okay, regional disparity means it refers to the uneven distribution of economic, social, and political resources across different geographical regions at global, national, or subnational levels. Okay, spatial inequality means variation in income, wealth, and welfare across geographic space, measured through per capita GDP, GNI, and purchasing power parity (PPP). Okay, structural disparities, differences in economic structure, industrial versus agrarian economies, formal versus informal sectors, and technological divide. Social disparities, unequal access to education, healthcare, clean water, sanitation, and social security across regions. Okay, spatial inequality, structural disparities, and social disparities. Okay, key terms: core-periphery model, uneven development, cumulative causation, and dependency theory. Okay, indicators of development and disparities. Economic indicators, per capita GDP and GNI, purchasing power parity, triple P, Gini coefficient, unemployment rate, inflation rate, foreign direct investment. Similarly, social indicators are Human Development Index, HDI, life expectancy at birth, infant mortality rate, IMR, literacy rate or education rate index, and gender development index, access to clean water and sanitation. Similarly, composite indices, HDI, UNDP, 1990, Physical Quality of Life Index, PQLI, Multidimensional Poverty Index, Happy Planet Index, Gender Inequality Index, and Human Poverty Index. Okay, HDI and Gini coefficient are most frequently asked in UGC NET exam. Okay, now North-South divide, Global North and Global South. Global North, USA, Canada, Western Europe, Japan, and Australia are some leading countries. And they have high per capita income, more or less US dollar 12,000. They have advanced industrial and service economies, high Human Development Index, more than 0.8, low IMR, democratic, the IMR means infant mortality rate, democratic institutions, rule of law, aging population, low fertility rates. There is a large number of aging population in Global North. Then Global North is a technological and innovation hubs. Then creditors nations, that means World Bank, IMF, International Monetary Fund, dominance. Similarly, in Global South, African, Latin American, South and Southeast Asia are some dominating nations. They have low middle per capita income, less than US dollar 4,000. Agriculture dominated are primary sector economy activities. They have low medium HDI, high infant mortality rate, and political instability in many regions, young population, high fertility rates, technological depend on North and debater nations, and structural adjustment. Okay, brand line 1980 divides the world roughly along 30° north latitude. 30° north latitude, north and south. 30° north latitude. Okay, global north and global south. Okay, major economic groupings and regional blocks. G7 and G8, USA, UK, France, Germany, Japan, Italy, Canada, and Russia. More than 46% of the world GDP. G20, 19 nations plus European Unions, includes India, China, Brazil, South Africa. Okay, more or less 85% of global GDP. BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, and New Development Bank. More or less 26% of the world GDP. OPEC, 13 oil producing nations, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Iran, Iraq, Nigeria, controls more or less 40% oil supply. LDCs, least developed countries, 46 nations, UN list, Sub-Saharan Africa majority, SDI less than 0.55 typically. NICS, newly industrial countries, South Korea, Taiwan, Singapore, and Brazil, rapid structural transformations. Okay, these are some major economic groupings and regional blocks. Now there are some causes of regional disparities. Okay, there are some causes or factors of regional disparities. Historical factors, colonial exploitation and resource drain, slave trade and demographic disruption, unequal treaties and trade agreements, mercantilism and plantation economies. Similarly, geographical factors, landlocked nations, lake, port access, tropical climates, disease burden, resources but governance poor, natural disaster vulnerability. Economic factors, unequal term of trade, primary versus manufactured, capital accumulation in core regions, brain drain to developed nations, debt trap and structural adjustment. Political factors, weak governance and corruption, civil wars and political instability, lack of democratic institutions, ethnic conflicts and fragmentation. Okay, these are some causes of regional disparities: historical, geographical, economical, political factors. Human Development Index, HDI. HDI means Health Index multiplied by Education Index multiplied by Income Index, root over 3. Health, education and income. Health, Life Expectancy Index, minimum 20 years, maximum 85 years, life expectancy at birth. Education Index, minimum 0 years, maximum 18 years. Mean and expected years of schooling. Guinea per capita income, Guinea per capita, PPP, minimum $1,100 and maximum $75,000. Okay, log of Guinea per capita, PPP in US dollar. Okay, HDI categories, UNDP, according to UNDP data in 2023, very high the HDI, more than 0.8, 66 counties all over world. High HDI, 0.7 to 0.7999, 53 counties all over world. Medium Human Development Index, 0.55 to 0.699, 54 countries, and low HDI, that means low Human Development Index, in less than 0.55 in 35 countries. Okay, top five countries in HDI in 2023: Switzerland 0.967, Norway 0.966, Iceland 0.959, Denmark 0.952, and Sweden 0.52. Okay, lowest South Sudan, Chad, Niger, Central African Republic. Okay, this is an analysis of Human Development Index all over the world. Now, regional disparities in India. India exhibits stark intra-state and intra-state disparities in economic development and social indicators and human welfare. High income states, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Delhi, high GSDP and HDI, IT, manufacturing and service dominant. Higher urbanization, literacy more than 80%. Bimaru states, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and UP, Bimaru, historically lagging. B means BI for Bihar, M for Madhya Pradesh, MA for Madhya Pradesh, R for Rajasthan, and U for UP. High fatality, infant mortality rate, and lower literacy rate. Agrarian economy and limited industrialization. Similarly, northeast states, remote location, connectivity deficit, face biodiversity but low industrial base, insurgency, migration, and limited investment. Okay, indicator, best state value, worst state value. Literacy rate, best state Kerala 94%, worst Andhra Pradesh 66.4%. Per capita income, Goa 5.08 lakhs, Bihar 0.46 lakhs. Infant mortality rate, Kerala 6 out of 1000 population, Madhya Pradesh 51 out of 1000 population. HDI score, Kerala 0.782 and Bihar 0.574. Okay, these are some regional disparity scenario in India. Theories and models of regional disparity. Core-periphery model, Walson and Friedman. Economic activities concentrated in core areas, periphery supplies, raw materials and cheap labor leads to cumulative inequality. Middle's circular causation, Gunnar Middle in 1957. Backwards effect, resources drain from periphery to core. Spread effect, growth diffuses outward but remains weak in poor regions. Gottfall theory, paradox in 1955. Certain industries, propulsive industries, generate growth in surrounding areas used in regional planning in India, growth centers. Dependency theory, Gunder Frank, development of underdevelopment, the periphery is kept underdeveloped by the core's structural dominance in trade and finance. Rostow's stage model, W.W. Rostow in 1960, 5 stages traditional, takeoff, drive to maturity and high mass consumption, critics, Eurocentric and linear. Convergence hypothesis, low and new classical, poor regions grow faster than rich ones, eventually converging. Empirical challenges by growing global disparities. Okay, global frameworks, UN Millennium Development Goals, MDGs 2000 to 2015, Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs 2015 to 2030, 17 Goal 169 targets, New International Economic Order, NIEO 1974, UNCTAD, Paris Agreement 2015, Climate and Development Finance, IMF, World Bank Structural Adjustment Programs, SAPS. Okay, Indian regional policies, 5-year plans focused on balanced regional development, special category status for backward, hill and northeast states, PMGSY, PMAY, MGNREGAS, MGNREGS, Rural Development and Poverty Reduction, Backward Region Grant Fund, BRGF, Northeastern and Tribal Districts, 15th Finance Commission, increased devolution to backward states. Okay, UGC NET quick revision, Gini coefficient, broad line, roughly 30° north, divides global north and south from Brand Report 1980. PQLI, Physical Quality of Life Index, HDI origin, introduced by UNDP in 1990, Mahbub ul Haq and Ahmed Hossain conceptualized it. Bimaru states coined by Ashish Bose, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, high population law development. Convergence by divergence, new classical convergence, dependency and structuralist divergence, real trend. Core periphery, Friedman's model, 4 phases of development, regional planning basis, WTO and trade disparity, Doha Down 2001, developing nations demand agriculture subsidy removal, SDG targets, SDG 10.1, income growth of bottom 40% should exceed national average. India's Niti Aayog replaced Planning Commission in 2015. SDG, Sustainable Development Goal Index, in India index measures state level progress. Okay, regional disparity are a multidimensional phenomena. Economic, social, political, and historical factors together cause uneven development. The North-South divide, brand line, remains the most significant global scale disparity in income, health, and technology. SDI UNDP is the most widely used composite index. India ranks 134th with medium SDI 0.644 as of 2023. Theoretical frameworks, core periphery, Middle's Bakwas effect, dependency theory, and growth pull are essential for UGC NET exam. SDGs, special goal 10, reduce inequality, provide the current international policy framework to address disparities. India's regional disparities, Kerala highest SDI versus Bihar lowest SDI, Bimaru states concept by Ashish Bose. Gini coefficient measures income inequality, Lorentz curve is its graphical representation. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Thank you.